Hi, this is Jill Jusko at the IndustryWeek 2014 Best Plans Conference, and with me is Ted Doheny, CEO of Joy Global. Ted, you've just shared with the audience the operational excellence journey of your company. Can you tell me, as the company leader, what is your role in making sure that excellence journey continues?
As the leader, with most initiatives, it starts with the tone at the top. Also, I use a phrase, people tend to do what the leader inspects, not what the leader expects. So part of my role is to continue inspection, checking in, seeing what resources are needed, checking on the metrics, how things are doing, are we moving the needle? And also to bring in the right talent. It's all about the talent. And developing the talent we have, bringing in new talent for skill set we may not have, but continually measuring, monitoring, and inspecting.
Okay, great, thank you. So also, as you mentioned in your presentation, Joy Global, over 100 years old. Many of the factories also pretty aged, not built for modern manufacturing methods. What kind of challenges has that presented in your operational excellence journey, and what are some moves you had made in response to that?
The challenges are fairly obvious. Old facilities we have to be careful with when we do renovations. We've uncovered windows we didn't know were there. But it also offers an opportunity. There's nothing like a facility being refreshed. You have the talent in place. Sometimes you even have a good asset base because it's already paid for. But again, you have to be very efficient with what you have. And also you have to make sure the facilities are next to where our customers are. So if the facility makes sense, we have the right people in place, it's next to our customers, then it makes a lot of sense for us and a lot of dollars to have that renovated in the transformation. Because it is about the culture as well. It's not just about the building. So seeing people transform a facility gets them to help thinking about how they get transformed, their work process, and themselves.
Okay. Can you tell me, how would you describe your leadership style?
Good question. I would describe it probably as collaborative. I'm a learner. I've been very fortunate in my career. I've had tremendous teachers, leaders, parents. So I try to develop a team, comfortable. I had to learn early in my career. People know more than I do. Surround myself with really, really strong leaders. Challenge them, but also make sure that they challenge me.
Okay. And on a related note, who has, or what companies or people or authors has influenced you in developing your leadership style?
Too many to name. I can't think of one. I've been a student of leadership before I helped pay my way through school selling fruits and vegetables. I'm an ex-athlete, frustrated.
Oh.
So many great coaches. I do read and study, and I've been taking notes on leadership for well over 30 years. And I had one of my first boss told me that he wished at my age that he knew what he did when he started. So I said, tell me. And ever since then, I've been writing down those notes, and I actually give that presentation now internally on leadership from the notes from many, many people, starting from a great family and great parents.
Okay, and I have one final question. From your presentation, you had mentioned customer satisfaction references is the way you measure it. I've not heard that, and I thought it was very interesting. Can you just describe what that is?
Yeah, but yes, it's data driven. When we do a quality survey, when we do a customer satisfaction survey, we ask 7 questions. After we do a rebill, we do a service work order. The last question is very simple. Mr. Customer, are you a reference, yes or no? If the answer is yes, we database it, use that. The answer is no, what can we do to make you a reference? And the reason why it's so important, because we might be measuring the wrong thing. It might be that he didn't like our parts manual.
Right.
It might be that he didn't like the people that he was dealing with, or she was dealing with. So it's very important, that last very simple question. If you want to have references, you got to measure it. So it's very simple. Are you a reference, yes or no?
Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Doheny. And this is Jill Jusko reporting from the 2014 Industry Week Best Plans Conference.